The Alexa Marketplace Keyword Analyzer. The PPC Keyword Performance Analyzer tool, available at alexamarketplace.com, helps advertisers to quickly analyze keyword performance and optimize their PPC accounts based on a choice of inputs and goals. It performs keyword analysis and classifies keywords in buckets of 80% or 20% for conversions or revenue, thus facilitating decision making. The tool will simplify lives of online marketers and help optimize their online marketing campaigns. Now we will have a look on how to use the tool. Visit alexamarketplace.com and choose the PPC Keyword Performance Analyzer tool by clicking on it. This will bring you to the product page, and you can launch the tool by clicking on the Start Now button at the lower part of the screen. This screen shows you the tool where you have to actually browse for a Google AdWords or a Microsoft Ad Center keyword performance tool and upload it to the tool, which happens automatically. Then you select the key metric based on which the calculations will be done. In this case, we've chosen conversions. Once this is done, to generate the report, click on Get Result. This should bring up your report in a couple of seconds, and the keyword report screen is basically a color-coded chart which shows you the top converting keywords, which are 80% of the converting keywords, and the other converting keywords which form 20% of the conversions or the converting keywords. There are also the keywords with clicks but no conversions, so these are your cost-taking keywords. And finally, the keywords with impressions but no clicks. These are the ones which have triggered ads but have not contributed to any of the cost. And finally, the keywords with no impressions. These are keywords which have not contributed to the traffic at all and could be removed from the account as well. You also have details like the number of keywords, the conversions that are attributed to these keywords, the cost taken up by these keywords, and our basic recommendations based on the keyword category. You can also view a pie chart of this data, as we discussed earlier, in terms of the number of keywords, the number of conversions, and the total cost that are taken up by the keywords. Finally, you can also go ahead and download the report, which gives you a basic output of what the report is about. We'll take a look at the report now. The report has a summary tab, which basically gives you the details that we saw earlier on the chart for the top converting, the other converting, the keywords with clicks but no conversions, the ones with impressions but no clicks, and finally the keywords with no impressions. And all of them together make up the total number of keywords as well as the total number of conversions again, and then finally the cost as well. Now let's look at the other tabs. The first one being the top converting keywords. So these are keywords which gave 80% of the conversions that the account received during a particular time frame. As you can see, again, the total number of conversions were 279, and the converting keywords here should total up to 80% of that. So that's about 223. You also have other details like the spend or the cost, the clicks and the impressions for these keywords. Likewise, the next tab, which is the other converting keywords, shows you 20% of the converting keywords that are a total of the 20% of 279 conversions, which is 56 conversions. You have all the other metrics like cost, clicks and impressions available here as well. Then we go on to the keywords which accrued cost but did not convert. So these are the keywords with clicks but no conversions. So you have the clicks, impressions data and the cost data, but there are no conversions here for these specific keywords. Then the keywords with impressions but no clicks. So these did not attribute any cost to the account but had a potential to draw traffic to the account. And finally, the keywords with no impressions. These are keywords which ideally did not contribute to any traffic at all and no potential traffic as well. So this is basically a gist of the keyword performance analyzer tool and how it works.